Namaste, I am the yoga instructor in Kshemavana, Bangalore. Today we are going to talk about 4 asanas which is very helpful for weight loss. So let's go for the first practice, that is Utkatasana, chair pose. Stand in sthiti, raise your both hands up, bend your knees as much as possible, look up, stay here for 5 counts. Inhale, come back to center and bring your hands down. The second one is the warrior 1. Take your leg back, turn your body, raise your hands up, bend your knees and look up. Let your forward leg be 90 degree. Inhale, come back to center. Third one is Navasana, boat pose. Come on your mat, bend your knees, your back spine straight, stretch your leg up and hands straight. Stay here for 5 counts. Bend your knees, bring your hands down and relax. The fourth one is Chaduranga Danda. Once again, sit on your back, hands forward, take your knees back, toes active, straighten your knees and look forward. Stay here for 5 counts. Knees down and relax. And come back to center.